Have you ever worked with Google Sheet pivot tables and wanted to group your data into ranges as opposed to having a long list of individual values? There's actually a way to do that. In this example, I have some car sales data, and I want to answer the question, how many cars did we sell in the price range 40 to 50,000? So how I can answer this question is basically add this data into a pivot table here. And then once I'm in the pivot table, what I'm trying to do is grab sale price and put it into the rows, and then car sale date into the value. So I want to see the count of car sale date, so that tells me how many cars did we sell at each sale price. Now, if I want to see the same data in ranges, what I can do is right click the column like this, and then click on create pivot group rule, and then specify the minimum and maximum values. So I'll just put 50,000, and then interval size will be 10,000 since I want to see the data in $10,000 increments, and then click OK. So there you have it. This now shows me the number of cars sold for each price range, and I can then answer my question that we sold 63 cars in the price range $40,000 to $50,000. So there you have it. That's how you can group your pivot table rows into ranges of data. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.